Hi guys, this is a quick how to set up your wheel in Bus Simulator 21. So what I've done, I plugged it into my PC, it's all set up through the Windows control panel, and now I've put the game on. So first of all, we're going to go to settings. Now we're going to go across to steering wheel controls. You want to now go to driving and steering. Now I do have a few things already set up because this takes ages to bind all or most of the keys to your wheel. So click on anything you want to change and then add new binding and then press the accelerator. And now that is on there. So I'm pressing the accelerator now and you can see it moving up and down on your right hand side of the screen. We'll do exactly the same for the brake and reverse. So click on it, add new binding and press the reverse, which is probably the middle pedal if you've got 3 pedals. And hey presto, then now that works. And you can do so on and so on all the way down the list until you've completed your binding on your wheel. I'm now turning the wheel now just to show that that's what happens when you do that. And once you finish doing your wheel, you can cycle through different vehicle functions and change all the kneeling toggles or the ramp and so on and so on. And there's so many you can go through. It probably took me about 35 minutes to do it all on my wheel. And then all you need to do then is back out and then change anything else like the vibration and the force feedback if you want to. I've left mine, I believe, on default, and then just back out to the main menu and start a game. I hope this has helped. If not, leave me a message below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.